In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently add a planner plan to your SharePoint site. Whether your aim is to create a new plan or incorporate an existing one, there are a few straightforward methods to seamlessly integrate them into your site. Let's walk through the options you have to make your tasks readily accessible for your team. First, let's cover the creation of a new plan directly from your SharePoint site. This is an excellent choice if you're starting fresh and want your plan to be an integral part of your site's structure. Begin by navigating to the SharePoint site where you wish to establish your plan. Right at the top of the site, in the header bar, you'll see an option labeled New. Click on it, and then select Plan from the drop-down menu. Once you click Plan, a pane will appear prompting you for details about your new plan. Here, you will enter a name for your plan. If instead, you have a predefined plan that you'd like to use, simply click on Use an existing plan. This option allows you to select a plan that's already tied to the same Microsoft 365 group as your site. There's also an option you can check off to include a link to the plan in the site navigation, making it visible in the left menu. This can be particularly handy for quickly accessing the plan. Once you've made your selections, proceed to click Create or Add to finalize. Congratulations, your plan is now part of your SharePoint site, and all team members within your organization have access. Next, let's talk about embedding an existing plan using the Planner web part. This method is well suited for teams who either have a plan ready or have just created one and want it accessible within a SharePoint page. Start by heading over to the specific page on your site where you envision the plan being displayed. If you need, feel free to create a new page for this purpose. Once you're at the desired page, click the Edit button to set things in motion. As the page opens up for editing, locate the section where you want the plan to appear. Click the plus sign to add a web part and type Planner in the search bar. Select the Planner web part from the list presented. In the web part settings pane that appears, decide whether you want to create a new plan or use an existing plan, depending on your needs. After setting up which plan you want to showcase, you can further tailor how it's displayed, choosing from various views such as board or charts. Once you've set this up just the way you like it, hit Publish or Republish. Your plan is now conveniently embedded in your SharePoint page, making it simple for your team to find and interact with tasks directly from the site. And there you have it, 2 effective methods to enhance your SharePoint site with planner plans, offering your team organized and efficient access to necessary tasks. I hope this guide helps streamline your process. Thanks for watching.